Another common question is, how often do the filters need to be replaced? You can always find the full schedule on our website, but here is a quick overview using this diagram. As you can see, PPF, GAC, and T33 filters needs to be replaced every 6 months. A mineral biofilter replaced every 12 months. Reverse osmosis membrane and LED UV lights replaced every 18 months. This schedule helps ensure your water stays clean, fresh, and safe at all the times. All replacement filters are available directly on our website for easy ordering. Your machine already comes with a standard filter set including reverse osmosis, PPF, GAC, and T33. The mineral biofilter is optional and available as an upgrade if you'd like to add healthy minerals and enhance the taste of your water.